No, no, he shouldn't. He should get out of the station.
Relentless rainfall has led to widespread disruption across New Jersey and New York, overwhelming urban systems and halting essential services. This ongoing storm continues to affect more than 50 million people across the northeastern U.S., with multiple regions remaining under active flood watches and warnings.
From work, my car got stopped over there. You see that? Water flooded my car. And look at me. I don't think I have my shoes on. There was rushing. You see, life. You can do anything to save your life.
A slow-moving weather system has unleashed record-setting rainfall totals. Reports show localized rainfall rates reaching 3 to 4 inches per hour, with parts of northern and central New Jersey accumulating over 5 inches. These volumes have far surpassed the capacity of local drainage systems, triggering sudden and dangerous flash flooding.
Right here. Another one right here. Yo, they got through that.
New Jersey has been especially hard hit. Governor Phil Murphy issued a state of emergency, allowing state agencies to mobilize additional resources and coordinate emergency response. The National Weather Service identified Western Union County as an area facing particularly life-threatening flood conditions. Emergency personnel have been performing rescues in multiple counties. Although no fatalities have been confirmed so far, the situation remains volatile.
Wow. Wow.
In Bergen County, a flash flood warning remains in effect, with close monitoring of the Saddle River. In Middlesex County, the mayor of Plainfield confirmed that the town's key train station was fully underwater and inaccessible. Across the state, disabled vehicles and halted transit systems reflect the storm's severity and sudden impact. New York City has seen similar levels of disruption. Flash flood warnings were declared across all 5 boroughs as heavy rain overwhelmed subways and roads. Parts of the transit system, including the 28th Street station, experienced rapid flooding. The NYPD's Transportation Bureau reported a complete closure of the Cross Bronx Expressway at Jerome Avenue due to deep water accumulation.
Car everywhere. This is unbelievable. This is major road, Park Avenue, in front of Plainfield High School, in Plainfield, New Jersey. Look at some people on top of their own car. Can you believe this?
Filled.
Air travel was also severely affected. By Monday evening, over 1,900 flight cancellations and more than 10,000 delays were reported nationwide. United Airlines confirmed a ground stop at Newark Liberty International Airport due to weather-related constraints. JFK saw delays of more than 3 hours, while Newark Airport experienced delays approaching 2 hours, disrupting travel plans for thousands. Rain continued to fall through Monday night along the I-95 corridor. Flash flood watches stretched from New York City and Washington, D.C. down through central Virginia. Some communities reported rainfall totals exceeding 7 inches in just a few hours, overwhelming storm drains and inundating homes. In Mount Joy, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, emergency crews responded to 16 water rescues and over 30 calls related to flooded basements. Elsewhere, New York State Police confirmed that sections of the Taconic and Sprain Brook parkways in Mount Pleasant were closed due to rising water.
¿Hay alguien aquí con vida? Este es un hogar. ¡Hey! ¿Hay alguien aquí con vida?
The storm has exposed major weaknesses in the area's infrastructure. New York City's Emergency Management Department urged residents living in basement apartments or flood-prone zones to move to higher levels. In Richmond Hill, Queens, about 1,000 homes lost electricity due to the storm, highlighting the risks posed by above-ground power lines.
En el área de la 7th Street, el Richmond Street. Así está la cosa, miren.
By late Monday, meteorologists reported a weakening of the system. Though more rain was expected, its intensity was forecast to ease. However, recovery and damage assessments will take days to complete. Transit service began gradually resuming. Service on Manhattan's 1, 2, and 3 subway lines was restored just before 11 p.m. following earlier shutdowns. Staten Island Railway operations also resumed, though significant delays and partial suspensions continued on the Harlem and New Haven lines into Grand Central Terminal. New Jersey Transit rerouted several bus lines, and rail service between Penn Station and Trenton returned to its regular schedule. As waters begin to recede, the full scale of damage to roads, utilities, and private property will become more apparent. Officials continue to stress caution, with active flood alerts still in effect for more than 50 million people throughout the region. If you enjoyed this coverage, please like and subscribe for more. As always, stay safe and stay aware.